Mind-blowing psychological facts about human behavior, love, and women. Sustained eye contact can foster feelings of intimacy and connection, but may also be seen as aggressive or uncomfortable depending on the situation. Oxytocin and vasopressin, often called love hormones, play a key role in bonding and attachment in romantic relationships. If you truly want to change your life, you must first be willing to change your mind. Women often excel in multitasking due to a larger corpus callosum, enhancing communication between the brain's hemispheres. Our expectations and beliefs can drive behaviors that make those beliefs a reality, reinforcing our initial perceptions. Regular physical activity can enhance sexual performance and satisfaction by boosting stamina, blood flow, and overall confidence. The proximity effect suggests that the more frequently we see someone, the more likely we are to develop a romantic interest in them. Decision fatigue can occur when making numerous decisions in a short time, reducing our ability to make sound choices. Women typically score higher on empathy measures and are more likely to respond empathetically to others' emotions. Engaging in intimate activity can enhance creativity and problem-solving abilities due to the brain's release of dopamine and endorphins. The sensual response cycle includes excitement, plateau, orgasm, and resolution, with individual variations in intensity and duration. In group settings, people may exert less effort than they would when working alone, a phenomenon known as the diffusion of responsibility. Women generally exhibit higher erotic plasticity, meaning their erotic preferences and behaviors are more fluid and adaptable. Unconscious biases influence our perceptions and interactions, even when we consciously believe in fairness. Couples in love often experience synchronized heart rates and other physiological responses when they are together. Acts of kindness and altruism can boost personal happiness and well-being, often referred to as the helper's high. Mirror neurons enable us to empathize and understand others' actions and emotions by simulating their experiences in our minds. Women typically have stronger emotional memories than men, possibly due to differences in how their brains process emotional experiences. During intimate moments, the brain releases a mix of chemicals like dopamine, serotonin, and oxytocin, contributing to pleasure and bonding. We tend to favor information that confirms our existing beliefs and dismiss evidence that contradicts them. Nonverbal communication, including gestures, posture, and facial expressions, is crucial for conveying emotions and intentions. Women may have a higher pain threshold, but are more likely to experience chronic pain than men, influenced by hormonal differences. Consumption of pornography can shape intimate attitudes, expectations, and behaviors, sometimes leading to unrealistic views of intimacy. Romantic ideals about love can shape expectations and satisfaction in relationships. Couples who effectively manage and resolve conflicts tend to have stronger, more resilient relationships over time. Lack of sleep impairs cognitive function, emotional regulation, and decision-making, highlighting the importance of good sleep hygiene. Women are more likely to seek social support under stress, while men often adopt a fight-or-flight response. We are more likely to be attracted to people who share similar interests, values, and backgrounds. People may experience various emotions after intimacy, from relaxation and bonding to sadness or anxiety, influenced by personal and relational factors. Subtle cues in our environment can influence our thoughts and behaviors, a phenomenon known as the priming effect. The woman who wants the most intimacy is the one who often takes the initiative and communicates openly about her desires. Women are typically more cautious and risk-averse, often considering long-term consequences more thoroughly than men. The likelihood of someone intervening in an emergency decreases as the number of bystanders increases due to diffusion of responsibility. The frequency of intimate activity does not necessarily correlate with relationship satisfaction. Emotional connection and quality are key. Cognitive dissonance occurs when actions and beliefs conflict, leading to changes in beliefs or justifications for actions. Social media use can impact self-esteem, mood, and social relationships, often leading to comparisons and unrealistic expectations. Women use more facial expressions and body language in conversations, enhancing their ability to read non-verbal cues. Pheromones and subconscious cues significantly influence romantic attraction and partner selection. No one in this world is pure and perfect. If you avoid people for their little mistakes, you will always be alone, so judge less and love more. When you start taking care of yourself, you start feeling better, looking better, and even start attracting better. Don't be afraid of losing people. Be afraid of losing yourself by trying to please everyone around you. You are responsible for your happiness. If you expect others to make you happy, you'll always end up being disappointed. There are two ways to be happy: change your situation or change your mindset towards it. Sometimes you just need to distance yourself from people. If they care, they'll notice. If they don't, you know where you stand with them. Life is really nothing without love and care. Give it to everyone, but don't expect it back because it's a feeling, not a deal. The happiest people are satisfied with their present situation, no matter what it is. If you want to know someone's mind, listen to their words. If you want to know their heart, watch their actions. If you want to make someone miss you, then know the secret. Don't chase people. Focus on becoming the best version of yourself, and don't be available every time. When someone misses you 80% of the time, they are likely to appear in your dream. Don't force someone to remember you all the time. Just stay silent and let them realize how they will be without you in their life. Waking up in the middle of the night for no apparent reason may indicate that someone is dreaming about you. An older woman's anus after anal sex can become very sensitive and may require gentle care and attention to ensure comfort and avoid irritation. It's important to prioritize communication and consent in any intimate situation. If you found this video valuable and discovered something interesting, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. We'd love to hear your feedback and any questions you might have in the comments section. If you've made it this far, type "Curious Mind" to demonstrate your dedication to knowledge. Don't forget to check out the next video on your screen for even more intriguing content. Keep exploring and stay amazing.